A beautiful evening here in Minnesota. Be out on a ride. A Thursday night. 86 degrees. We're starting to cool down here for the weekend. Just fine. But for now, I wanted to get out while it was nice. This leather suit is still amazing. I don't know. I won't say that it gives you more confidence, or it just makes it better. I don't know what it is. Maybe it is confidence or reassurance or false sense of security, right? But it's really not false sense of security. I mean, it's a fucking one-piece red leather suit, right? It just makes riding so much smoother, natural. Hard to explain. Foot getting caught up in the stupid extension paw. Yeah, this suit is nice and cool. I've sweated way worse in textiles with the frickin' lined, you know, with the whatever you call that stuff. Makes them level double A or whatever, you know. Triple A, I think my MBAs might even be, or MBTs. With the lining in them makes them so much warmer. When you sweat, it's got nowhere to go, you know. It's crazy. I feel like this is cooler than that stuff. I'm not drenched in sweat when I take it off. I got a one-piece suit liner on underneath it too. I picked up from Sport Gear Track or Sport Track Gear or something. Sport Track Gear, STG. If I can leave a link, I will. It's really nice. Put it on, it's just like putting on the suit. Sure, it's nice and stretchy. Fits perfect. Does make it easier putting the suit on and off too. It just slides on and off because it's so like it's real thin, slippery material, you know. You just slide right in. Yeah, you gotta get one of those too. And it's easy to wash that instead of pulling the liner out of this. I still like my two-piece leathers too. I got a couple different sets of those. I seem to be collecting more and more shit. Unfortunately, no matter what I do, I can't get my airbag vest on underneath this. I'd have to get like a heel light turtle or something, like over jacket vest. Then you're tagged to the bike. If I wanted to go that route. The fucking thing costs more than this suit does. Of course, I think my Tech Air 5 Plasma did too, so it's not always the cost. learned last time not to be on the inside lane here. The big cracks in the road. So we'll try the outside lane. Eventually we're gonna have to head down to a gas station. It's like, fuck, I think there's one straight ahead. We went to Coon Rapids Boulevard. Yeah. Sucks about this time of day or in the week. This fucking road. Cross over the snake right into the side of a fucking gas tanker. How far are you coming over? Stop me? That's pretty nice, huh? Bright light saves lives. You don't have to believe in loud pipes, but bright lights, can't deny that one. I want to buy some new driving lights too, some even better ones. These are just cheesy $50 Amazon specials, right? I want to get something when I head out at night. I can actually see a lot better. Holy crap! Don't even realize it. I'm doing like 105. I mean, the suit is so nice. When I go out night riding, this camera makes it look like these lights really light up the ground and I can see everything, but it's not like that in real life. The lights do light up right directly in front of you, but too late to react to anything. Monster lights. If I could get some that had like high and low beams, that would be awesome. We'll look into that. Got little jumps on it. Go! Yee! Should get ya. I think that's about enough fun for this video. Wrap it up. Thanks for watching. If anybody even did. Leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know you're alive. Peace.